Xullas do'stlar, bugun eshik ta'miri ishga keldim. Eshikning korobkasi, ya'ni frame deydi. Videoni o'tkazib olmayman. Good. Good morning. I'm Hikmatullah. Yeah.
Good to meet you.
Thank
You can actually pull around back. I'll meet you back there, and I can show you the door back
Sounds
there.
good.
There's an alley.
That's it.
If you go left, and then the first
Gotcha.
left.
Thank you. Mashinani ham birovlar orqaga qo'yaver deyapti do'stlar. Orqada joy bor, parking bor deyapti. O'taychi. Qanaqa parkingi bor ekan? Mana shu yerdan kiramiz. Bu garajning ko'chasi orqa tomoni do'stlar. Qaysi bir ekan endi? Hozir topib olamiz. 1669 mi? 1669 mi? Mana shu ekan.
All right. Here is the door. So there's a piece of wood holding it up right now.
Oh. You need help?
No, I just think this piece of wood. Yeah, if you could hold that, thank you. Yeah, just rest it on here. If you could lift it a little bit. Thank you. There we go. Perfect.
Dahshat.
Here, there we go. Yeah, you good.
Yeah, yesterday I see the frame broken, right?
Yep, exactly. So that's where I was saying probably needs a new frame, and I need it to be reinforced because my dog did it.
If you want, I can do the both side, take it off, and I'll go to Home Depot and bring some wood,
Okay.
exactly same,
Okay.
and I can do to replace the both side,
Okay.
if you say okay.
Yeah.
And I need a little more time, and 400 plus material
Okay.
is the price, you know.
Yep. That's good.
Is it works?
Yep. And then there's the handle and the keypad that I
For
was talking
this door?
about too. Yeah, for this door.
Sounds good.
Yeah, because the door looks like it's fine still. I don't know. I think the door is completely
Yeah,
fine
door
still.
is no broken.
Yeah.
You can use.
And it's
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, you can use that door.
Yeah, okay. What do you think material? 100?
Around, yeah.
Okay. Okay, yeah, no problem.
Okay. Thank you.
Yep, thank
I
you.
will start. Thank you, brother.
Is there anything else you need from me right now?
No, I'm good now.
Okay.
Thank you.
Just knock on the door if there's anything you
Sounds
need.
good.
Thank you.
And Joe, I have a quick question.
Yeah.
May I take a video for my social media?
Sure.
For my work?
Yeah,
Thank you so much.
sure, no problem.
Appreciate you.
Yep.
Thank you.
I actually have one other question for you.
Uh-huh.
So I have a railing inside that's a little loose. Would you be able to look at that?
Yes, please.
Not necessarily fixed today, maybe next time or something.
Okay.
Or today if you have time,
Okay.
whatever.
Xullas do'stlar. Bu bilan gaplashganimizda internet orqali faqat mana uni kelishdik. Yamab qo'yishdi, o'zini to'g'rilashdi yoki bir tomonda o'zini. Hozir bu tomon ham qo'shildi. Ko'ryapsizlarmi? Ikkala tarafda xullas ko'chirib olib tashlab, boshqa magazindan yog'och olib kelib, xuddi shunday qilib xotirib beraman. Videoni o'tkazib yubormasdan mazza qilib tomosha qilinglar do'stlar. Like bosib, do'stlarga jo'natib qo'yish esdan chiqmasin. Rahmat do'stlar. Eski fremdan razmerlarni oldim, magazinga ketyapman do'stlar. Magazindan olib kelib, buni olib tashlab, yangisini o'rnatib beraman. Xullas do'stlar, Home Depot magazindaman. Home Depot magazini Amerikadagi eng katta qurilish magazinlaridan biri. Kerakli yog'ochlarni oldim. Вообще idealniy качественный material olmadim, chunki garaj eshikligi uchun. Mana shundan oldim. $13 ekan do'stlar bu. $13 94 sent ekan. Atak Bunaqalarni olib qo'yib yuborsam bo'ladi. Boshqa ideyalar ekan, ko'ringlar. Bu 24.38 sent. $24.38 ekan. Lekin garajlik uchun o'rtachasini olib qo'yardim. Bitta bo'yaladimi, ular bilinmaydi. Do'stlar, materiallarni uyga olib kelib oldim. Endi eski fremni olib tashlashdan boshlayman işte. Xullas, bitta faqat mana ikkala yonboshi almashadi, tepa qoladi joyida. Tepani narigiga qotirib, birula qotiraman. Do'stlar, eski fremni ham mana yechib oldim. Endi buni chiqib qolgan miqlarni balgarkada sekin olib tashlayman, chunki malatoyda ursam buni g'ishtlarni ko'chirib yuborishi mumkin. Shunaqa gaplar. Xullas do'stlar, bitirib qo'ya qoldim. Arada ochki zaryad oldi. Kameraga olay desam jarayonni. Mana ko'ringlar endi do'stlar. Oldingi holat qanaqa edi-yu, hozir qanaqa. O'zingizlar baho berasizlar. Yaxshimi do'stlar, nima deysizlar? Fikrlarni kommentariyaga qoldiringlar. Mana yopilgandan keyin zazorlarni ko'rsataman. Mana, ko'ringlar? Bir xil. Xudo xolasa. Hamma yoq ishlayapti. Ishlayapti. Endi videogasini chaqirib, topshirib olish qoldi xolos. Yana bitta ish bor, vaqtim bo'lsa-da, uni gaplashamiz hozir. Xullas, bu ramkani mana penalasi qo'yib, mana arasiga. Samarezlarda penalar qo'yib, mana mustahkam qilib qotirib berdim. Inshaalloh bo'shab ketmaydi. Bu ish oson bo'lmadi. Qiyin ham bo'lmadi do'stlar, amalladik. Hey Joy. Work is yes.
Okay. Awesome. Oh, nice. Actually, have a door handle on this now. That's great.
And this looks also, see?
Yeah.
And you know how I put the pin code
Yep.
passport?
Yep. Got
Okay.
all that.
Now it's drawing.
Yeah. Okay.
Because I want to show you. Look at this penna.
Oh yeah, filler right there. Nice.
It's drawing.
Perfect. Yeah, that's great. So are these drilled directly into
Yes.
the block? Okay, great.
And this is without battery, you know.
Yeah, yeah,
You
yeah.
need to put the battery.
Yep.
And I didn't put trash box, see? I keep here.
Okay, great.
If you want some cord.
Yeah, that's perfect.
And this is old one.
That's the old
Box.
one. Okay. Okay, great. Yeah, sounds good.
Thank you.
This is great. You did a great job.
Yes, thank you so much. And then I will cock here, and screws. I will cock.
Okay. Great.
Now it's
Perfect.
better.
Yeah, and then I got the paint for this and everything, so I got all that part.
Cleaning also.
Yeah, awesome. No, it all looks great. Thank you very much. How should I pay you?
Venmo is
Venmo?
anyone, yeah.
Yeah, that's
Any
great.
payment.
I got them. Oh,
Told
there
me
was
inside.
the one thing. Yeah, let me take a look at this. Yeah, let me put the dog away and I'll show you. Give
Okay.
me 1 second.
Okay, no problem. Keyingi ishda ham ko'rsat nima edi desam, hozir itimni qamab chiqay boshqa xonaga dedi. Do'stlar, birga ko'rib chiqamiz sizlar bilan. Mana shunaqa qilib 2,5-3 soatda shu ishni ramkasini qo'yib tashladim. Yaxshimi, nima deysizlar do'stlar? Ammo juda eski joy bo'lganligi uchun jicha vaqt oldi. Bo'lmasa osonroq o'shadi.
Come on in.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is the thing right here. So that I can't.
Drywall.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's drywall. Everything else is plaster.
Just one piece?
Yeah, it's just that one piece right there. That.
Yeah, Joe, I can do it just for $30.
Okay. Great. Yeah, if you could.
Can I start right now?
Yeah, if you can.
Okay.
Yeah, if you got time.
Yes.
Sure.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, definitely. Thank you.
You too, brother. Okay, I will bring my tools and screws special.
Okay.
I will do it now.
Great.
Thank you. Shunaqa do'stlar. Basementga tushadigan reshotkasi bo'shab qolibdi. Shuni ham hozir qotirib beraman. Bir dona samolyot $30 bo'ladi dedim, qotirish. Hozir. Shuni ham qotirib beraman. Hozir u ishini ham chiroyli qilib, mustahkam qilib qotirib beramiz do'stlar. Xullas, Bu joyda nima qilish kerak do'stlar? Buni avvalo yechib olish kerak, polностью. Ko'rish kerak holatni, ba'da nima holat. Ustasi bilan hazillashadimi ya? Ana sizlarga kiyimnomani. Rekaga urib qo'ya qolamiz. Rekasini topdim. Bu oldin teshganda rekani yonidan teshgan ekan. Gips kartonda o'ziga. Shunda yonrog'ida reka bor ekan. Mana shu rekaga o'zini eski samolyotni mahkam qilib qotirib qo'ysam, vashshi mustahkam bo'ladi. Ko'rdilarmi ushaganini? Vashshi mustahkam bo'ldi. O'zini samolyoti ham mustahkam edi. Tem bo'lib rekaga tushib, katta taxtaga. Vashshi zo'r qotdi. Mana eskilarni ham joyiga qotirib qo'yamiz. Zato hali teshigi ham mana ko'rinmay qoldi hozir. Buni yopib ustidagi. Ana, endi nima deysizlar do'stlar? Shu arzimagan oddiy mehnatga do'stlar, oddiy ustaga tadanlakda yemaysizlar. Rahmat. Excuse me, Joe. Now I can see.
All good?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Now
Perfect.
it's strong.
That's exactly what I needed. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
All right. Here we go. All right. How much?
Material is no $100. Just 60. I'm sure you know. $61
Okay. Great.
plus 61. $491. I get it.
Got it?
Yeah, I get it.
Okay. Perfect.
Thank
awesome.
you so much.
Thank you.
Business card you can put for
Oh yeah, I'll
Crazy.
definitely hold on to this. There's a couple other things I got around here. So
magnet.
yeah. Oh yeah.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much. Yeah, nice to meet you again.
Good to meet you too. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
You have a good rest of your day.
You too, brother.
Thank you.
Bye bye. Take
Bye.
care. Alhamdulillah do'stlar. Mana bu ishni ham tugatib oldim. Endi sekin obed qilib keyingi ishga harakat. Hammaga rahmat. Sog' bo'linglar do'stlar.